Red bean soup with mochi.
Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Yay! I know it's been several days since I did pink food cooking last time because I was posting more Barbie DIY for Barbie truck tour. So I was kind of missing my pink food cooking and I did something really cool today. I did another quarantine Japanese food. So let me show you something. I know it's hard to see. Ta-da! Can you see it? Do you know what it is? So it's a Japanese OSHIRUKO. We call it OSHIRUKO. It looks like a soup, but actually it's a dessert. Kind of dessert. So the soup part is red bean paste. And the round one is a little mochi. Usually the red bean paste part is more like maroon color, like more like brown, and the mochi is usually white. But today, of course, I did it in pink. Yeah, it looks pretty crazy but super cute. Yeah, it almost looks like pink soup with bubblegum or something. It looks super cute. I wanna taste it so bad. So let me go now and you can watch how I did. So let's start. So first of all, let's make beet butter first. I'm not sure if we could make it with beet powder, but I always want to try with beet powder before I put artificial food color. So here, beet powder with hot water. And I always get the question about if beet powder affects the taste. And the beet powder I use is more for coloring purpose, so it doesn't really have taste unless you put it in the coffee or something, you know. I want to make even a little more thick. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna use this later. Now look, so this is the powder for making mochi. The ingredients of this powder is just one thing, so simple: mochi rice. Yeah, so it's literally made of rice. I used them all today. And it says with one bag you can make the 40 bowls of mochi. Now let's put some water. And this time I'm putting the bottled water. And I wanna put beet paste. I don't know how much I should put, but let's see. Yeah, and if it didn't work, I'm gonna just put the artificial food color. You can mix with your hands if you want. I don't think the color is enough. But I cannot put too much beet powder because it could make it too soggy, huh? I'm starting with a little bit less water so we can add some later with adjusting, you know. Okay, I think I can put some little bit more water. It's probably the last water that I could put. So if these beet powder didn't work, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of food color. I'm checking the texture. Yeah, I definitely really need some more water. Now I'm using my hand. It came out like marble. It said the texture of your ear is the best texture. I would say my ear is softer. Should I try a lot of food color maybe? Let me try just a little bit. I just want to see the color. Don't you want to see it? With food color, yeah, color looks like this. It almost looks like Play-Doh. I kind of like the color without food color, with the one with beet powder. But when we cook, the beet powder always change the color a little bit. So yeah, let me try with these two different types. look like this to make it round. Yeah, like a small ball. You know what? First, I thought it was getting crumbly because I put too much beet powder, but I noticed you just need to mix well. That's a trick. Sorry, my hand looks messy because I touched beet powder paste. That's why, yeah. And this one, actually, it turned out like this without artificial food color. Should I put food color just in case? This side, no artificial. So we can see the difference. Because I'm a mad scientist. Okay, now I finally made all little balls. On the package, it said we could make 40 of them, but I made like almost 100. So it definitely, I made like a too small one, I guess. Yeah, but it should be fine. Little one could be cute. Yeah, I'm not worried. So I'm gonna use these. And next, I have this because it's quarantine pink food cooking. So I'm not making from scratch, but I'm using this instant one. It has mochi on the photo, but it doesn't have mochi included. And so it's like just a soup of red bean paste. Just red bean with sugar. The ingredient, it says red bean, sugar, and a little salt. That's it. But the red bean paste, the color is totally brown. Like a super dark maroon color. So I need to make it pinker with beet powder. And I'm still thinking how I could make it pink. Maybe I need to put some milk for sure. And next, I have to boil the mochi. I'm not putting the red bean thing yet. Okay, let's put these. Let's boil the mochi now. And okay. And remember, I made the one with just with beet powder, and also the other one is a little bit of artificial food color. So I don't know how the color is gonna be like. I'm just mixing them, but I'm pretty sure we will see the color difference. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can already tell some of them look really darker. Wow. I'm putting everything. Yeah, once I put in the hot water, I mean boiling water, the color totally looks darker now. Wow. I'm putting everything. When they start frothing to the top, and after 2 minutes, we can take out. See? I already see a couple of them are coming up. Now almost all of them are coming up. Now it's really boiling. In almost 2 minutes. I think these are done. I think it's been already like 2 minutes. So now I'm taking them. Before I drain them, first I need to put them into cold water. So I would say even without artificial food color, the one with beet powder totally looks pink enough. And the one I put artificial food color, it comes out more like really bright Barbie pink, almost neon pink. Yeah, without artificial color, it's totally cute pink. And did you notice? They got a little bigger. When it's cooled down enough, you can drain. So now my pink mochi is ready. I got pink mochi balls. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Looks almost like a huge pink pearl. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna add these into red bean paste soup and this. And I'm gonna make this into pink. So usually you just need to boil the pouch like this, but this time I need to mix with milk. So I'm putting milk first. And I need to dissolve beet powder in this milk. And don't let it burn, just keep stirring. I might add more beet powder and milk. You don't need to add any sugar or anything because this red bean paste tastes really sweet. So yeah, you don't need any extra sugar. Now let me add this red bean paste. Turn the heat off first. Let's see the color. See, I told you it's totally brown. It's really brown. Oh wow, okay. I would say it's still pink, huh? Oh wow, okay. It doesn't look that bad. I know, in the camera, it looks more purplish. Okay, even if I add more beet powder, I'm pretty sure it will just turn out more purple. When the color comes out like this, actually the artificial food color works. So I'm adding a very, very tiny bit. Very tiny bit. Just one drop. It's good. Yeah, now it looks a little less purple, but a little more pink. I think it's cute. Let me add this mochi a little bit. It totally works. Looks cute. Okay. When it's warm enough, it's done. And I still have these leftover mochi. You just need to place flat on any container or like a tray like this. And cover with food wrap. And you can store in freezer and it will last for 1 week. Yeah, I could totally make these extra mochi different dessert. Now I see some steam, so I think it's warm enough. So excited. Looks so cute. So usually we're supposed to put in like this type of bowl, like a small Japanese bowl. It's the one for Japanese soup usually, like even miso soup or any other thing. But today I think because I made pink OSHIRUKO, so I want to put in this pink bowl. Now I made pink OSHIRUKO! Red bean soup with mochi. Okay, so now let me try this. So again, this soup is called OSHIRUKO. OSHIRUKO. せーの、いただきます. Looks so cute. Looks so shiny, glossy. Looks so cute. So good! The mochi part is so soft but still a little chewy and it's so good. I did a great job with the mochi part. I was a little bit worried about if it was too chewy, you know, but it's not. Look! How cute! Pink mochi. So I put milk to help making the color pinker, you know, but the milk really didn't bother the flavor. It still totally tastes OSHIRUKO authentic. This is too good. For the soup part, I use this instant one, OSHIRUKO. It says OSHIRUKO. See, this is how it's supposed to be like. So for the soup, I used this instant one. I didn't make it from scratch. But the mochi part, I use this shiratamako. It's like mochi powder. You can make mochi from scratch, and I use this. Thanks so much for my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have pink Azusa Barbie quarantine. Bye.